Welcome to Simple Daily English. New house.
Hi, Lily. Welcome to my new home. I can't wait to show you around the place I've set up.
Wow, Emma, it's really beautiful here. I can't wait to see it.
This is the living room, my favorite spot. Look at this sofa, doesn't it look comfortable? I chose this color specially because it feels very cozy.
It really is comfortable. And the color matches the ambience of the living room.
This is our entertainment area. The TV is the latest model of smart TV, with clear picture quality and rich features. The sound system is surround sound, which is great for watching movies or listening to music.
Wow, this sound system looks really professional. Can we watch a movie here next time?
Of course, I prepared some classic movies, looking forward to our movie night. This is the kitchen. I try to keep it simple and functional. Look at this marble countertop, it's very easy to clean.
Wow, this texture is really great. And it looks like there's plenty of space.
I put a lot of spices and kitchenware in these cabinets, trying to make everything I need within reach.
This is really convenient. Your kitchen feels both cozy and professional.
This is my room. I like to decorate with soft tones that make me feel calm and relaxed.
The decor here is really tasteful. The colors are harmoniously matched.
This is my vanity, where I prepare to start a new day every morning. It's not only practical, but also beautifully designed.
It's really beautiful. I like these delicate little drawers and the mirror.
Thank you, Lily. I'm so glad you could come. I hope we can create more beautiful memories here.
We definitely will, Emma. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.